Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair rose 0.9% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator indicates an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 3.9% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The gold fell 0.7% against the dollar in the last trading session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair plummeted 2.6% in the last session. The ROC's negative signal contradicts our overall technical analysis.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Oil futures traded slightly lower, easing back after a more than 7% climb a day earlier, as investors gauged the prospect of a European Union ban on Russian crude imports. The dollar rose as Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell put the possibility of 50 basis point rate hikes on the table, while the yen fell below the 120 level as the Bank of Japan reconfirmed ultra-loose monetary policy. After a surprise departure from Andreessen Horowitz, crypto investor Katie Horn has released $1.5 billion for her new firm, Horn Ventures.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's BOJ monetary policy meeting minutes will be released at 23:50 GMT, Japan's coincident index at 0500 hours GMT, the UK's consumer price index at 0700 hours GMT. The US MBA mortgage applications will be released at 1100 GMT, the US new home sales at 1400 GMT, the UK's core consumer price index at 0700 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.